Well, here's what we got. It's Christmas Eve. We got a blizzard last night. I don't know if you can see through the snowflakes, but I can't even open my front door to let my dogs out. So I'm going to go, oh, he's playing with that. I'm going to go out here and get my bobcat fired up. I don't even want to open that door yet, but I have to. No, I'm going to fire it up first and then open the door. Turn the heat up. It's cold still in here. Got the generator fired up the other day and it was leaking gas all over the floor because I had it tipped the wrong way and it was full. So that sucked, but here we go. Oh, boys. All right, we're going to let that warm up. I'm going to plow the driveway and the patio just so these guys can go outside. And I don't think we're going to be able to plow snow until this leaves a little bit. It is 9:30 in the morning. The town trucks have been off the road since 3 a.m. because it's been so bad. Yeah, it's going to be rough. We got 165 residential driveways to plow today, so I'm going to have a long couple of days. The trees down back there. Got a dead one next to my house from my neighbor's yard that I thought was going to run into, that I thought was going to break and fall onto my truck, but it hasn't yet, so hopefully I'll get my truck out of there before it does, if it does. This is insane. You know, as far as snowfall is concerned, we probably got like 10 inches. It's not that horrible, but the drifts, oh my god, the drifts are incredible. Make sure this works. definitely the worst I've ever seen it here. I've been here for 30 years. I've never ever seen so much snow at one time on Grand Island. I got welcome mats here I don't want to dig up. I'm gonna have to plow my front yard for these boys. See, my driveway has like 6 or 7 inches right there. I mean, my front lawn. The driveway next to my truck has about a foot. I can just imagine how some of my properties with hills in their yard look right now. It's gonna be a bad day. Bobcat, I can move it out of the way. With the trucks, it's going to be a little more difficult. You're going to have to move that first before you can even get into the driveways. Wish I had a scoop on this thing. Do I even push it across the street? Do I even... Well, there's no vehicles. I guess I could. is not aware of what lake effect is, this is kind of interesting. So, all right, let me go in and let these boys out. Show you that map. All right, for people looking to see what a snowband is. So this is Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, and we're Buffalo's right here, but I'm this little blue flag. That's Grand Island. That's this little pork chop looking thing here. That island is 7 miles across. Okay, so that means this snowstorm is like 20 miles wide, maybe, not even 20 miles wide, and it's dropping. I think they said 2 inches per hour on us right now. The snowband will, instead of being like this, kind of goes like this and goes across this way. So our ski country is down around this area, and that's where they get all the snow. But today, the band was like this all day yesterday, and now it's shifted and came up like this, and now it's hitting us. And they're saying this isn't going to stop. They're saying this isn't going to stop until tomorrow at 4 a.m. Today we have 11 to 22 inches, and then 9 to 17 inches tonight. So they've downgraded it from 2 to 3 feet, but well, no, I mean, a foot today and a foot and a half tomorrow, right, overnight. So it's still 2.5 feet. All right, here, oh, my poor guys, hang on, let me get you. Oh, your clasp is frozen. Hang on, bud, hang on. There it goes. All right, I gotta grab a shovel and get the rest of the stuff out in front of this door off. Uh-oh. And get that. I know, Bubba. I know it's crazy out there, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. All right. We got a towel. We're happy, I guess. We're happy with a towel. But anyways, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everybody, and hope you all have a great holiday weekend, and I'll catch you guys in a couple days. If you could, please rate, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.